Have you ever seen those viral stick figure animation, like Reiko animation, and wondered how they are made? Most tutorials show you how to create them manually, and this requires hours of frame by frame drawing and animation. But what if I told you there's a much easier way by which you can do this? Today, I'll be showing you a very simple method on how to use AI to create this animation. No drawing, no manual animation, just using AI to generate like everything, and this will take just minutes of work, and then you're going to bring everything into CapCut and just make a complete video. It's way more easier than you can really even anticipate in the first place. So if you're new here, I make easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, like this video. It's been a while I dropped a video here. I think like the last time I dropped a video like 4 months ago, and so I'll advise you to subscribe to my channel, because going forward I'll be bringing you a lot of tutorials around an AI, and AI is just the future, so you wouldn't want to miss out on this. So I would advise you to subscribe to this channel. All right, so I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide by which you can do this, and everything will be done on my laptop. So I'll be switching to my laptop and we'll be getting started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So first thing first, you will need script writing, and this is the prompt that we're going to be using. I'll leave this prompt in the description, and here you can just edit and put the topic that you want. I'm using what's an addiction for this, and so this is how quickly ChatGPT will generate the script for me, and I will just copy it and just copy everything here. Then I'll take it to Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a text-to-speech converter. I will show you how to use it. It's a free text-to-speech converter. So for those who can pay for the text-to-speech converter, so just make use of Clipchamp. It's very easy to use, so we just follow the instructions. So I'm going to paste my script here. This is my script. This script I'll be using. Then I'll come here. Here you can choose the language, and you can also choose the voice. So I'm using English United States, and I'm using this Adam's voice. I think this is very much easy for me to use. So I'll click on save there. Then the voice has been generated. As you can see, this is the voice has been generated. So what you need to do is click on export and export in 480p. The thing is that with this, it's going to export in the video format, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to convert it from a video format to MP3, or better still, you can just convert it online or any tool that you have. But I'll be showing you two that you're going to be using. I'll show you two that you're going to use to do this. So here's the file. I'm going to convert it to MP3, so just in a moment. So there's this software I'm using. It's called Tipa Video Converter. It's a premium software though, but you can get the free version, you can install it, or better still, you can use any tool to convert to MP3. I think there's this thing in CapCut that you can also do that. So you just come here and I'll select the video. Here it's it. Also select the video. Here it is. Can just select your display, click on convert, and just in a few seconds it's going to convert. And it's going to convert, and here is my file. Here's my file. So the next thing I have to do is to go to Canva. We're making use of Canva. Here you're going to search for YouTube video. You're going to search for YouTube video here in the description here, and then you're going to use this YouTube video. YouTube video. You're going to use this one. This 920 with 1080p. I think that's the best one to use, so that since we're making a YouTube video size, so you need to come here and increase this to the highest. Increase it to the highest, because we will be needing it. Just increase it to the highest. So we'll definitely be needing it. I will explain that in a bit. So what you need to do here is want to come here and search for paper background. So you want to search for paper background. Now we're just trying to get a background that we use in the video. When search for paper background, let's allow this to load. Paper background. Just let this load. Okay, sorry, I got that. The paper type go wrong. Okay, fine. So you're going to look at here. Most of the things here are premium. So let me make use of this one. Though there are other free ones that are very good to use. So you just have to enlarge it to fit into the video. Fits in the background, sorry. But it has this whole Canva logo on it. So let me just look for a free one that is still good to use. that's still super nice, so that will make use of it, so that we don't have that logo there. But first of all, let us bring in this voice, that sound that we changed, that sound that we generated. We want to bring it in here. So as you can see, it's loading, so we just want to wait for it to load. And meanwhile, while we're waiting, let me change this background. So I'm going to use this brown paper background. I think this is nice. This is still very nice, and I think this is very, very good to go. So just fit it into the background, just like this. Fit into the background, and then by now this thing has uploaded already. Our sound has uploaded already. So what you want to go is go under the upload, then drag the sound just like so, and bring it down here, and we're going to put it here, and we're going to play, so you can just play it, listen to the sound, and then you're going to play it, listen to the sound, to be sure that that's the right sound how to upload it. So what you need to do is that you're going to split this sound. All right, we're going to split on different scenes. So all you have to do is just to click S on your keyboard, and the scene will be splitted. We're going to split this for after every pause and after every paragraph, because we're making an animation video and we want it to look very I want it to look like extremely nice. So we'll be doing that. So we're going to split on every scene. So we're going to split it just like this. I'm going to split it. Now, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. I'll be bringing you more videos like this going forward. So when you're done splitting it, so you're going to come to elements here, and when you come to elements, what we're going to do is I want to search for going to come to elements. I want to start for stick figure. So when you search for stick figure, you're going to look at just click on this see more here. We're going to click here on this see more. So now you're going to see a lot of stick figure animation. So you just look for the one that you feel like is good, then you're going to click here, and then you're going to view more of the project. And you're going to come to graphics. You're going to see like loads and loads of other stick figure animation here, and you're going to choose the one that you feel like suits the sound and in the video that you're making. So you're going to listen to the sound that's converted, and you're going to listen to it like this very same. This is what fits it perfectly. As you can see, it's very easy and straightforward to make. You don't need to do any serious work. This is Canva will just help you to do everything. So we're going to drag the next one here that fits this scene. I'm going to zoom it so that it fits into the background, just like so. And this is as you can see this. So this is what we're going to do for like every scene. This is what we're going to do for like literally every scene. So all you have to do is just look for any of the stick figure that fits the very scene that you'll be making use of. First of all, you're going to listen to your sound, and you're going to find the one that sticks. So let's look for the one that fits this very scene here. All right, so this suits us perfectly right now. So we're going to make use of it. They're going to arrange it to suit the video. We're going to arrange it. No, that shouldn't fit there, so look for something else. So we're going to listen to it, and then bring for every scene we want to listen to it and know the exact stick figure that is supposed to suit that very scene, so that is your sound wouldn't be boring. Yeah, so that's what we're doing here right now. So all you have to do is just to pay attention, and this is very, very easy to use. You just have to be very creative, start a channel, and just get very creative with what you're doing. And if possible, you can just pay for the premium, for the Canva premium. And people are making, as you can see, Rico Animation is making loads and loads of traffic from this, and that equates to money. So you can also pay for the premium Canva and start a channel around this very niche. It's super nice to use. It's something that I will recommend for beginners, because it's easy to use. You can start a motivational channel, and before you know it, the channel blow up, and you're making loads of money by just simply dragging and dropping all of this. So this I can just want to put I just put text here and write addiction. Just align it perfectly there. Then we're going to change the fonts. Let's just see. Let's find a very nice font that suits this. It's one. Let's find something else. Let's find something else. Okay, let's calculate. All right, I think this suits this video perfectly. So we're going to align it. We're going to align it to fit in that box there. Perfectly. So we're going to look for the last one. So basically, this is all you need to do. This is all you need to do. Then this one suits here perfectly. As you can see, we can just breeze through the video and you're going to see what we're trying to do. So this is just like a rough walk, just to show you guys a tutorial on what you need to do. All right. So this is this on that, and this is like basically like a rough walk. So let me just put in it. You can also add text to your video. Let me add the text here. You can see, and I'm going to write this text and align it perfectly, just for the fun of the people watching it. You get, so that it can be the viewers can get more engaged with what you're doing. Are you still watching? Basically, next week ask this. So since talking about addiction, we're doing this. So are you still watching? So we're going to align it perfectly so that it suits what we're doing. We're going to align it. We're going to make sure that it comes in exactly where the question is being asked, so that, I mean, it's going to look nice. I hope you're finding this video interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. So are you still watching? Put this in mind that this is rough work. You can get more creative with this whole thing, so you can get more creative with what you're doing and make the videos more lively, more fun and more engaging to watch. So when you're done, we'll just come here and click on share, click on download, and we have some premium Stickman Animation here, so you can just come and download with watermark. Like I said earlier, this is the whole thing. So we're going to come back to Canva, create a new CapCut, create a new project. I already know how CapCut works. So, but here, what we need to do here is just we'll come here, bring in the video that we just downloaded, and add. If you want, you can add captions. Basically, if you want, you can come here and add captions. Here, you can add transitions. Here, also, you can add sounds. So, if you want to add sounds, you definitely need to make use of the YouTube. You can make use of YouTube sound, like you can get premium sounds there, which won't have any copyright issue. So let me add transitions here so that you see. Let's just click this and just add the transition so that you see. No, just add this transition just to make it more engaging to watch. Let me play this so that you would be able to see. See, just makes the video more engaging. So I think I have like a free sound here. You can get your free sounds anywhere, but make sure that they are copyright free. But I have a free sound here which I'll be using. You can get it. You can get your sounds from. There are loads and loads of free sounds out there that you can get, like Free Pick can also give you free sounds that you can make. So let me just adjust it and cut it to this length of my video so that I'll be able to use it. If the sound volume is too high, you can also come here and reduce it here. And this is how our video now looks. And also can increase the volume of your video and add other stuff. And when you're done, you just come and click on export, and just click on export, and then your video is ready. See how easy it was to make this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll attend to you to the best of my knowledge. Don't forget to like this video and also drop a comment, and you can share it to the loved ones so that they will also have an idea on how to make these videos. Thank you very much. See you guys in the next video.